Looking for the best track saws to enhance your woodworking projects? Track saws are designed for precision, offering straight, clean cuts and efficient plunge capabilities that can significantly improve your workflow. In this video, we'll review the top 5 track saws on the market, examining their features, performance, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for detailed reviews and the best deals on each model. Festool TS V60 Track Saw. The Festool TS V60 Plunge Cut Scoring Track Saw offers professional-grade performance and precision. It features an integrated scoring blade that ensures splinter-free cuts on both sides of the material, ideal for delicate surfaces. The diamond-tipped scoring blade is built to last, and the 60mm cutting depth provides great versatility, making it suitable for various projects. A key safety feature, the kickback stop, instantly halts the saw if it detects kickback, adding a significant layer of protection. Powered by the ACCU-CUT motor, the saw delivers smooth and powerful cuts consistently. The fast-fix spindle stop makes switching blades quick and easy, ensuring minimal downtime. Known for its durability, accuracy, and safety, the TS V60 is an excellent choice for demanding tasks. While it comes with a premium price tag of around $1,175, the high performance and longevity justify the investment for professionals and enthusiasts seeking top-tier results. MILWAUKEE 283121 Track Saw. The MILWAUKEE 283121 M18 Fuel Plunge Track Saw is a high-performing cordless saw that combines power and precision. Equipped with a power state brushless motor, it delivers up to 5,600 RPM, ensuring clean, finish-quality cuts. The smooth plunging action provides excellent control, while the variable speed dial allows you to adjust blade speed for different materials. MILWAUKEE's adjustable cam system guarantees a precise fit with track systems, enabling straight and accurate cuts. A built-in riving knife enhances safety by preventing material pinching and reducing kickback. The saw is also compatible with 1 7/8-inch vacuum hoses for effective dust collection. For added convenience, it features onboard Allen wrench storage for quick blade changes. The full kit, priced around $639, includes a battery, charger, and a Pack-Out XL toolbox, making this a powerful and convenient option for serious woodworkers seeking a cordless solution. WinCT 1065 Track Saw. The WinCT 1065 Sidewinder Circular Track Saw is a highly affordable option for those looking for reliable performance in a track saw. It features a cutting depth of 2 1/3 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees, making it versatile enough for both straight cuts and bevel work. Powered by a 10-amp motor, it ensures consistent cutting power, even through thicker materials. The included WinCT 9110 inches track guide rail enhances accuracy and provides clean cuts across full plywood sheets, ideal for larger projects. Additionally, the setup includes 2 6-inch quick-release clamps, ensuring that your workpiece stays securely in place during cuts. This track saw provides great value for DIYers and budget-conscious woodworkers, offering solid performance without the premium price tag. For those who don't need the high-end features of more expensive saws but still require reliable cutting, the WinCT 1065 is an excellent option. KREG KM A3700 ACCU-CUT XL Track Saw Guide System. The KREG KM A3700 ACCU-CUT XL is a standout track saw guide system known for its reliability and precision. With an impressive 100-inch cutting capacity, it's perfect for breaking down full plywood sheets with clean, accurate cuts, no clamps required. The anti-slip guide strips ensure stability during cuts, and the anti-chip feature helps prevent splintering for smooth edges. It's compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, offering great flexibility for different projects. Setup is simple. Just attach your saw, align the track, and begin cutting. However, as it's just a guide system, you'll need to provide your own circular saw. Priced around $179, the KREG ACCU-CUT XL is an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals looking to enhance cutting accuracy and efficiency without the need for an entire track saw kit. BOSCH GK-T13225L Track Saw. The BOSCH GK-T13225L Track Saw is a high-performance tool designed for professionals seeking precision and clean cuts in sheet goods and hardwood. Its plunge action mechanism ensures spot-on accuracy, while delivering smooth, splinter-free cuts. With a variable speed range of 3,600 to 6,250 RPM, it provides fine-tuned performance for various materials. Compared to the Festool TS55, the BOSCH model offers more power but is slightly heavier. The track system is another standout feature, designed to hold firmly in place for consistent, straight cuts. Excellent dust collection is achieved through a swiveling hose port, keeping your workspace tidy. Priced at around $639 for the bare tool and $958 for the full setup with the track kit, the BOSCH GKT13 225L offers top-tier performance for professional woodworkers. And that's a wrap on our guide to the best track saws. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, choosing the right track saw can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. Be sure to check out the models we covered and let us know your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more woodworking tips and reviews.